We're on Lancaster at Gates Circle, where this Belmont housing project will have 80 new units. Almost exactly 10 years ago, on October 3rd, 2015, the old Millard Fillmore Hospital Tower came down at Gates Circle. In the decades since, Canterbury Woods was built, and several other projects in the neighborhood have brought new life to buildings that in some cases are more than 100 years old. That includes the building that's part of the 875 Lafayette project.
And the first year was really an uphill slog to make sure that we stayed on time and on budget, which we have. So, those buildings, as old as they are, they're going to get renovated, and they're going to be a great product at the end of the day.
Belmont Housing Resources for Western New York and Montante Construction are renovating and adaptively reusing part of the former homeopathic hospital site, turning it into affordable housing. The buildings are all physically connected with a courtyard in the middle. Construction started about a year ago.
Developing and expanding affordable housing right now is critical. These 80 units will bring studio 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units for a whole mix of family and households here in the city, and we're very excited to deliver on that.
The rent will be a sliding scale based on income, anywhere from $500 to $600 a month to $1,200 to $1,300 a month.
Everyone will have access to common site amenities like a community room, a fitness room, tenant storage right on site, and we also will have incentivized parking rates for the parking ramp that Montante owns and operates at this site.
Right now, construction is about 60% complete.
The Lancaster Square project is transformational for this area, and we've been working on this for almost 10 years now, and to see multiple projects done in the light at the end of the tunnel is just fantastic, not just for us, but for Western New York. So they'll be doing more work on that courtyard in the spring, and then people should start moving in sometime next year. On your side in Buffalo, Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.